channel. It's Christina at Homeschool and Grace, and today's video is another unboxing. This is part 2 of my 2-part series of our unboxing from My Father's World. And today I have a special guest. This is my oldest, Bethany.
Hi!
Her birthday is like in a week. She's going to be 14. It's crazy. So she wanted to sit with me to share with you her curriculum for next year and what the plan is and her thoughts behind it and what she's excited about, maybe what she's not excited about, but she's excited about it all, aren't you?
For the most part.
She will also be doing a co-op once a week that will cover some electives and maybe some core classes, we're not sure, and let's see what else. I think that's it. So let's dive in. Okay, so Ancient History and Literature from My Father's World. This is their Declare series, and there's 3 series. I can't remember them all, but there's the orange books, the blue books, and the black books. So we are to their last kind of cycle.
It's thinner.
It's thinner, and this will be just her lesson plans. Like this is not a teacher's manual. This is the student manual, really. So what do you think about that?
I'm excited for it.
You get to check your own boxes.
I get to check my own boxes.
Okay, so like we said, so this will cover Bible, history, and English. I did not get the science that My Father's World has for this because we were hoping maybe the co-op will have a science teacher and she would be able to do it there. It doesn't sound like that might be happening. So I may get what they recommend or we may go with something else. I'm not sure. But this is for Bible, history, and English? Yeah. What else did I forgot? Okay, what do you want to start with? Should we start with all this?
Yeah.
Okay. So this is Not Grass. Okay, that's the second book. So this is Exploring World History. And again, this is Exploring World History. And this is part 1. So this is Creation through the Middle Ages and the Renaissance to the present. So how do you feel about these? And
originally I wasn't looking forward to it because I wanted to do more American history. Mm-hmm. But then our VBS was like Middle Ages themed, and that got me more excited for learning about the Middle Ages.
Yeah, she helped out at VBS this year. Mm-hmm. Okay, here is one more Not Grass book. This is In Their Words. This is original documents, speeches, poems, and stories from world history. It's a lot more reading this year.
Do they have an audiobook?
They do not have an audiobook for this. So this will be reading. She really likes audiobooks and Libby and all the things. Okay, so to still go with that Not Grass. Oh man. Okay, so this is the student review book. This is the quiz and exam book.
Wait, what's this? So I read the lesson and I read this?
Yeah, so this is your review, so it gives you questions after you've read it.
Okay.
And then like commentary on it and questions to think about. I don't know if like you have to write it or if you just sit and ponder it. Yeah, I don't know. We'll have to look at that. Okay, and then there's a quiz and exam book, and this is for, I don't know, so it's based on each unit. It's just 1 page. So there's a quiz book, and then this is the parent's guide and answer key.
The quiz is so easy.
I hope you feel that way all the way through. That's so easy. Maybe it will be. Okay, so, and here's my parent-teacher book. Okay, so let's dive into, we got a few more things here. Okay, this is also from My Father's World. This is the Ancient Literature and Supplement book. This is for grammar and composition. So we'll go with some of the books she's reading. Let's look at the table of contents here. So she'll read, so it gives her a guide on I'm just going to read straight from the table of contents. A guide to critical writing, grammar, and style, and then a student's companion to the Epic of Gilgamesh.
Gilgamesh.
So let's find. Here it is.
The small book.
So the Epic of Gilgamesh will be her first book. Then she'll do a student's companion to Greek and Roman mythology. This is the
so excited for that.
Bullfinks Greek and Roman mythology. You're excited for this one?
Mm-hmm. No. Because on Disney Plus, they're making a new Percy Jackson series, and like Percy Jackson's like a fiction on this kind of stuff.
Yeah,
I'm really excited.
So this is like Hercules, Callisto, Diana,
like Wonder Woman,
Penelope,
Diana?
the Trojan War. No, well, I think she's kind of based loosely on this. Maybe I have no idea.
I don't know. I read the comic.
Yeah, the Iliad. Yeah, so this will help you. This will be, I don't know if it's like a Cliff Notes. I don't know what it is. Okay, and then a student's companion to Homer's The Odyssey.
Didn't we read Homer? I want to say we read Homer.
We read the children's Homer.
So is this just bigger?
This is like the full story, not the children's. But these ones, like you can find, this one at least you can find on
There is Audible.
And even the Epic of Gilgamesh, maybe. Okay, so those are the books. The first books. So we have more books.
More books.
Okay. Okay, so here's Homer, the Iliad. She'll also be reading. Now, I don't know if this goes with the Knotgrass. Some of these may go with that.
We'll find out.
I'll do Bible last here. Okay. The Cat of Bubastis. Bubastis.
I think there's an audiobook for that.
I bet there is. So this is a classic by G.A. Henty. It's
Never
a tale
heard
of
of
ancient Egypt. I'm excited for you to read this one. I think it'll be good. So
is it? It looks like it's supposed to be Egyptian.
It is.
Oh. It is.
Okay, let's see here. Okay. Eric Little. She'll also be reading. Was that the last? Okay. So now. Okay.
Is it Fiery Chariots? Chariots the Fire?
Chariot, yeah.
We can watch that.
Yes, afterwards. Okay, then she'll be reading or using the Encyclopedia of the Ancient World, a big Usborne. She likes encyclopedias.
I brought the Usborne American History Encyclopedia on vacation. So I'm excited for this one.
She likes history. Okay, so on to Bible. Okay, she'll be reading The Power of a Praying Teen by Stormy O'Martian. This is taking the place, I believe, of Purpose Driven Life. That one's no longer there. This is what's taking its place. I think you'll like this one. I've read her books on like The Power of a Praying Parent and The Power of a Praying Wife. She's got a lot of on prayer, and I think it's good to be in prayer. Okay. A little tabernacle.
Don't we have the big version of this?
We do. We have the big rose, the whole book on the tabernacle. But this will be an easy
like a
little
timeline.
guide. Yeah. But if you need like a little reference, that'll be helpful. Taking the Old Testament Challenge. This will be a daily reading guide.
Can I write in it?
Yes, it's your book. Okay. The Student Bible Atlas. So maps from Bible times. The Baker Illustrated Guide to the Bible. I think this would be really helpful because it gives you book by book, like little information like, oh, okay, this is the setting, this is what it's telling me, what it's connecting to.
I'm excited for that one.
So I think this one would be really helpful.
I might start using that.
Yeah. Okay, the New Answers book.
Answers in Genesis.
Creation and Evolution in the Bible. This is Ken Ham and Bodie Hodge.
Love Ken Ham.
So this will be a good one. What really happened to the dinosaurs?
I'm a major nerd when it comes
wife.
to all of this,
I
so I'm so excited.
Yeah. Okay. Ooh. Unwrapping
The Mummy.
the Pharaohs. This is by David Down. We have one of his books.
We do?
And John Ashton. Yeah, we used it. I think in Creation to Greeks.
Probably.
Lots of neat pictures. I think you'll like this one.
I probably will.
Okay, so that'll be a fun one. This one's from Master Books. Okay. Then this is a Daniel inductive study that will help teens understand God's Word. So this will be her Daniel Bible study.
I have a binder for this.
Perfect.
It's pink.
Oh, good. So she'll use that. Okay, we're coming up on the end here. So here is her ancient history timeline figures. They're a bit more
Detailed,
yeah. From the younger years, you know, I don't think you can see. We used to have timelines all over. We've got them all over here. But,
well, it used to just be like a picture, and then like you just would put the dates, and this is very much like detailed. So excited.
okay, and then this is your big timeline book of your own.
It's my precious.
Oh. So this one's cool because it's got colored lines
It's
based
colored.
on, you know, Bible, Asia, Middle East, Rome.
Oh, it's gonna be so helpful.
Yeah, so it can help. You can know like where to put it. Rome. It tells you where it starts.
It's so big.
I know. All right, so that is
That's
her
it.
high school year. So you may be wondering, like, why is she not doing 8th grade? I thought she would be doing 8th grade. Well, she worked really hard this last year, and we had held her back in the beginning, and we decided she is capable of going on to the high school year. And so that's what we're doing. And we'll see how this goes. We'll share along the way how it all goes. It's a lot of work, but I think she can handle it. So any other last thoughts?
I'm excited.
You excited?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm excited too. All right, so thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below, and I hope to see you at the next video. All right, thanks.
Bye-bye.